Stop dreaming and start designing. Get a sneak peek at your dream backyard before it's even built. Welcome to Beyond Backyard Living Creations. We turn ordinary backyards into stunning outdoor retreats, all thanks to our cutting-edge 3D design process. First, we get to know your vision in a personal consultation. Whether it's a pool, fire pit, or outdoor kitchen, your dream is our blueprint. Next, our drones map out every inch of your space, ensuring precision in every detail. Then, our experts create a breathtaking 3D rendering so you can walk through your newly designed space. Virtually, we refine the design together, picking materials and finishes that match your style and budget. Finally, our craftsmen bring your vision to life with unmatched care and expertise. Your dream backyard is just a consultation away. Schedule yours today and let's make your vision a reality.